good afternoon. 60 ago an hour overnight. Yay! Malapit lang.
We are packing our things for the overnight for Sheller Villa of West Diamond.
Welcome to Robinson Supermarket Forum.
Hi, we're in Robinson Supermarket.
Naman!
I do it.
69.
We are done buying the ingredients. Hello! Good morning! Here's my classmates. We're going to the villa.
Okay. Hello, everybody. We're here in the villa. We have class diamond for overnight today.
It's our final season for last time. And this is the pool while we're gonna swim. Well, we're gonna swim later. Because we're gonna swim later after lunch. And we can rest as well. So, hello everybody. We're in the villa. This is our room. Look, this is our room. Here's our
Classmates, are you preparing ready for chicken africana for our lunch?
Oh, teacher Ina, excuse me.
Hey!
We're going to eat.
Check it under.
kami kumain yan. Bayo na kami. Hi, we are in our team building. We are Renine. Luthor! We are Red Incredible.
Ako na lang. 20 pesos.
Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video in Ciudad Villa. Now, this time we are swimming in Class Diamond. And they're swimming in the, some of them in the video.